Brothers and sisters, the time has come for the unity of our tribes. In a world filled with diversity, we gather to celebrate our roots and cultures. Amidst our differences, we are united in our hearts, spirits, and aspirations. We are the heirs of a rich heritage, a legacy of love, unity, and compassion. Let this unity usher us in a new era of peace, harmony, and prosperity. Let love fill our hearts and unity empower us to cherish and respect one another. The universe whispers a profound truth. Love is the supreme force. Let it guide our steps, and our tribes will become beacons of hope and goodness. We recognize that paradise is not just a distant dream, but a present reality waiting to be embraced. Let us awaken to the beauty of nature, the wonder of creation, and the gifts bestowed upon us by the divine. Let us live in harmony with the land, with each other, and with ourselves. Let us honor the sacred band that unites us, and strive to create a world where every tribe, every culture, and every individual can thrive. Let us celebrate our diversity and recognize that our differences are a strength, not a weakness. Let us walk together in peace, harmony, and love, and show the world that a brighter future is possible. May our tribes be bridges, not barriers, connecting us to our shared humanity. May our cultures be threads, weaving a tapestry of diversity and beauty. May our hearts be filled with love, compassion, and understanding. Long live tribal unity. May peace, love, and harmony reign. May we cherish and protect our Mother Earth. May we honor the divine in all we do. With love and unity, we can create a world where every individual can live in peace, harmony, and prosperity. A world where love is the guiding principle and compassion is the language spoken by all.